Hello everyone, my name is Bikal Jain and today I am going to show you how to create geographical map in Excel. So I have taken this data from internet, and this data is based on coronavirus data, and it is India data, and it is coronavirus world data. So basically we are going to create this type of graph in Excel. How we can do that? Just let me delete. Now what we need to do, we need to insert a add-in in our Excel. Insert, and here it is add-in. Now I have already added a add-in in geographical heat map in my Excel. So you may add another add-in through manage other add-in. So I am going to take it. Now we need to select get started. Now I can move it here. Now here is the country which you need to select, India. Now you need to select your data. Select. So I'm selecting my data. I'm ignoring my serial numbers. You may take your serial numbers. Now it is taken states and confirm case. You may take other columns also. So I am taking active case right now. Now you may choose your color themes. If you want to choose any specific color theme, then you may create your own. I am taking green to red. Save. Now you can see there are major active cases is in Maharashtra. So it is becoming red. You may insert this diagram to your Excel also. Now we can take this example in Word diagram. Same trick. Insert my add-in geographical map. Now get started. Now this time I'm not taking any country. I'm just taking world. Select. Again I'm ignoring serial numbers. Click OK. Now new cases we can select. Again I'm taking green to red. Click save. Now currently new cases has majorly arise in India. So keep enjoying and keep learning.